Welcome to our YouTube channel, Programming with VJ. In this video we are going to see about C# if statement. We can write if in two ways, one in multiple lines, another in one line. Let's jump into the videos. Before that, please subscribe the channel. Give a like to this video. Each single like will motivate me, and will make me eager to put different videos. In this video we are going to see about C# if statement. How we are going to use it. There will be two ways we can write if statement. We can see the two ways to write if statement in this video. First, we can create a quad to see some visuals of changing the color. We can use changing the color as an example in this video. Create a material in the material folder. Assign the material to the quad. Create a C# script. Open the script in Visual Studio. Clear all pre-written code. Declare a Boolean variable can change color. Declare a material variable. We can create if statement by putting if, open and close the bracket. Inside the bracket we can give condition. In the condition, check if the can change color is true. If it is true, we can change the material color to red. Else we can change the material color to white. Below the if statement, we can set the can change color Boolean to true or false by clicking on the left mouse button. For that we should write a if condition to check whether the left mouse button is pressed or not, by checking input.get mouse button down. Inside the bracket we can put 0. Why we put 0 inside the bracket? If it is 0 it is left mouse button. If it is 1 it is right mouse button. Inside the condition we can set the Boolean value by defining can change color to alternate of can change color. Because each time if we press mouse we can change the Boolean to alternate value, that is true and false. Assign the material value in the inspector. Click play. If we press left mouse button we can see the color change from white to red. If we press again it will change from red to white. We can write this if statement in one line. This is another way of checking conditions. Switch back to Visual Studio. Comment the previous if statement code. First thing we should check is what will be the output. In our case, material color will be output. So declare the material color. In the right hand side as usual we are checking the variable can change color, whether it is true or not. After that we are putting question mark to tell, this is a condition. After the question mark we are setting the color. If it is true it will be red. If it is false it will be white. In this case else block will be colon. Now switch back to Unity. Press play. We can see the same output as before. We can also check else if condition, in the second method which we wrote. Declare another Boolean variable cannot change color. After first colon, check another condition cannot change color is true or false. If it is true, change the color to black. If it is not both, it will turn to white. Last colon is the else block. Next we have to assign the cannot change color variable. For that, if we press right mouse button, to change the value to its alternate. And also if we are changing the cannot change color variable, set the can change color variable to false. Same we have to implement where we change the can change color variable. Because if one of the value is true then we cannot get the required output. Now switch back to Unity. Press play. we can see the desired output. If we press left mouse button it will change to red. If we press right mouse button it will change to black. If it is not both, it will turn to white. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like if you gained some knowledge in this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any queries put in comment section.